What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Dio coming at you guys with another unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at a pair of Jordan 1s. I'm not too sure which one it is because I ordered 3 pairs. And if you enjoy Nike, make sure you guys check out the channel. There's a ton of content, but let's get into it. Alright. Yeah, I really do not know which pair it is. We're about to see. If you guys haven't ordered off of eBay, it's pretty convenient. You know, they do the little authentic check and it's super easy. It has like Meet Your Soulmates and then the eBay authenticity guaranteed right here, which is super cool. And here they are. I'm not gonna lie to you, these are looking a little rough. So I guess I've ordered off eBay and I've never gotten this. I guess if they don't do a box, they just come with this little eBay bag, which is actually pretty cool. Interesting. Let's see what else we got. Authentic without a doubt. Which is kind of cool. And here's the shoe. These are a sample pair. If you guys watch my other video, I have another pair of these. They are a little dirty. It kind of sucks. This is the only pair online in a size 13. And I really like my other pair, so I just went ahead and got it. Let me get the other one out for you guys so I can move this box. This one has the tag. You guys can see that looks terrible. Definitely look like that in the picture, but these will clean up super easy. Let me get this out the way. Alright, set it on here. These are looking pretty filthy. And like I said, guys, you guys get the eBay tag right here, which is super cool. I think you can like pair it to your phone or something like that, and I'll show you all the information. I forget. I don't know if the only way to get it off is to cut it. It's kind of looking like it. As you guys can see, these are, like I said, a sample. This is really bugging me. I guess maybe it got smushed when it was in the box. It should look like this. This one looks not too bad. This is a little dirty. Nice little light blue. This is cool for like a summer shoe. I think Jordan 1s are actually kind of dope. I used to hate on them, and I used to only wear Vans, but then I switched over to these, and I've been collecting a bunch of these like swooshless premiums. They're super easy to wear, super easy to rock. And I'll get you guys a try on at the end. Definitely gonna get these cleaned. And I'll also compare them to my other pair for you guys as well. So box looks so bad. Alright, since you guys got the little overview, let me go get the other pair so you guys can kind of get a better idea, a better look. Alright, so now that I'm back, I have my other pair. As you guys can see, I do have a video up on these, but this is the other pair. It's like a pure platinum colorway. These I got in a size 14, so they're like a little big, but I can rock them. And these ones I got in a size 13. I had to put the shoe trees in there because it was just bugging me. There you go. These ones I definitely like better. I like the blue. Like I said, if you guys watch this channel enough, you know that I like blue. And I'm definitely gonna clean these up, of course, before I wear them. Before I get you guys that try on. So I'll stay at the end. You may see a little better looking shoe. I don't know how this midsole is gonna clean up. It sucks. I wish these were BS, but they're a sample pair, and this was the only size 13. But I'll kind of go over some of the details with you guys. It looks like you can see it better on these. I don't know if it's the color or if they just went a little harder, because this is like more raised, like the pattern. Maybe it's actually just a different. I'll look closer into it. I think it's just a little different. Looks like they went a little more detail oriented on these, especially on the side. It just doesn't protrude out as much. This one has more of a 3D effect if you guys can kind of see the print, especially on the inside. I don't know what was going on when they made this pair. They definitely took their time. They both have the same inside. It's very silky material in here, which is super dope. They have metal tips on the end as well. Just like a really nice touch. I definitely want to see how this cleans up. They both have the Nike Air on top, right here on the tongue, and of course the Air Jordan on the back. It's still crazy when I'm looking at how different they are. That 3D on this one is just insane. I don't know if it's like this wore off or what it is. So you have your sample tag, and it looks like these released in 2017 as the promo number. And it has this colorway as ice blue, and like ice blue sail. And these are called Jordan 1 NS's, which NS is like no swoosh. And I've seen it called like swooshless premiums, so it's been different. I'm gonna see if this was any different. These were also made in 2017. It's just weird to me how these are like different materials. I don't know if you guys can kind of pick that up, but the more I'm looking at it, it's just crazy. Like, they really went ham on these. These have like the Yeezy snakeskin effect. They also have like this nice little leather end to the tongue, just super dope. And then let me see if I can take this off. I think I have to cut it because I don't think it'll be able to fit. I think they do that on purpose so that you're not just putting the tag back on and like selling it as. Don't want to cut the laces that way. There we go. If we put this to the side, let's see this a little better. Like I said, if you never order off eBay, it's really easy, super simple. And here's the last overview of the shoe. Tell me what you guys think. Are Jordan 1 lows trash? You guys like the sample? You guys rock this pair? Are you going ice blue or are you going the pure platinum? I think these were called the off-white Python, and these are ice blue. I also forgot to mention, I did pay like $120 for these, so it wasn't too bad. At $120, I think it was a super steal. Like, this is a shoe that's a sample. You're not gonna see like really anyone wearing. It's a cool colorway and it has a unique like pattern on it. So, like I said, guys, let me know. Make sure you guys stick around so you guys can see the trial and check out the channel. Like, there's a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.